To create your Tableau public account, which is called a profile, navigate to public.tableau.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see the sign up. Click that and create your profile. Enter your name, enter your email address that you want to sign up under, create a password, and remember it must be 8 characters, letters, number, and a special character. Then check that you've reviewed the legal, do the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, and then click on Create My Profile. You should be taken to your profile page. You can customize your account a little bit, enter a photo, and go up there, click on your icon, then go to your settings, and here it gives you the defaults. Note that it checks that people can download the data along with your visualization, which is a good thing to do. You can change your email and password. Here is your URL, and Tableau will try to give you something that matches your name. You can edit it a little bit, but that will be the profile URL that you need to use and submit with your assignment. And then just click out of that and you are ready to go.